In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok messages not sending problem. If you're experiencing issues with sending or receiving messages on TikTok, here are some troubleshooting steps to help you get back on track. The first thing that you can do is to check network connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. Sometimes poor network connectivity can cause message failures. Second thing you can do would be check private account settings. If your TikTok account is private, only approved followers can watch your videos and send messages. Make sure your account settings allow for direct messages. The third thing that you can do is to check your messages settings. Verify that you have enabled direct messages in your TikTok settings. You can adjust this under the privacy and safety section. The fourth thing that you can do is to enable background data refresh for TikTok in your phone settings to ensure smooth communication. The fifth thing that you can do is to disable data saver mode. If you have data saver mode enabled, it might affect message delivery. Consider disabling this feature while using TikTok. The sixth thing that you can do is to clear TikTok cache. Clearing the app cache can resolve various issues. Go to your phone settings and clear the TikTok cache. Seventh thing that you can do is to check for blocks. If messages aren't going through, check if the recipient has blocked you. The last thing that you can do is to restart the TikTok app. Sometimes restarting the app can fix minor glitches. Stop TikTok and relaunch it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.